A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:15 p.m. for western Walton County. At 12:33 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Paxton to 10 miles west of Miramar Beach, moving east at 35 miles per hour. A surface observation in Okaloosa County measured a wind gust to 54 miles per hour at 12:34 p.m. This is a dangerous line of storms. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to New Harmony, Fox Hill, Mossy Head, Natural Bridge, Caney Creek, Oakwood Hills, Liberty, Cluster Springs, Sand Hill, Gaskin, Gulf Pines, Alpine Heights, Sandestin, 4 Mile Village, Turquoise Beach, New Home, Glendale, Pleasant Ridge, Piney Grove, the Funiak Spring Airport, Portland and Santa Rosa Beach. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or a small interior room.